Well, good morning everybody, welcome to another Prepper Adventures video. Just a quick one this. I'm up in the woods, I'm going to have a cup of coffee and just go over the contents of the main cook set. Although this looks like I'm on a trail, this is not actually a trail. It just goes to nothing, nobody really walks, it's just part of when they planted this plantation here. Anyway, the bag's down there. I'm going to get my cook set out and have a cup of coffee, and I'll just show you my main all bells and whistles cook set I got. So here it is here. That's my main cook set. I think that's an old ex-French Army gas mask bag. And it's just the right size to keep everything together. This is no lightweight kit, but it's got everything in there. Let's have a look and see what we got. Right, that's it. Right, so there's the kit there. We'll start with the side pouches. This one here. In here we have knife, fork, spoon, bottle opener, tin opener set all together. So that's in there. We also have the old Army Millsbank bag for filtering water in that pocket. Also we have in there another little kit. It's another knife, fork and spoon with bottle opener, but the knife on here is a lot sharper. That's a real sharp knife rather than just like an eating utensil knife, and it's lockable. So that's the first side pouch done. Side pouch on the other side, we have, I can get it out, and that side pouch there we have fire starting kit. So that's if I want to do a campfire, all the equipment in there for doing a fire starting kit. And I think that's it for those pouches. And a bit of wire. Oh, and right at the bottom, spotted, forgot it was in there. Roll of tin foil. So that's the two outer pockets. Let's do the main body of it. Pull the lid back. In the lid itself is a little compartment, sponge and scouring pad, and it's just fell out. Paper towel, little gas conversion unit. You can also refill your gas bottle and that from other bottles of that one. That's that in there. Main compartment, top of it, we pull it out, we have kettle, saucepan with lid, and small little frying pan. Underneath that, at the back, we have, no I can't, so we go for the other item. That's a wash bowl, or small water bowl, collapsible wash bowl there. Next to that we have a small stove, I'll be using it in a minute. That's the gas bottle stabilizer, and then we have the gas bottle itself in a small jacket to protect it, also helps it in cold weather. Behind that we have a toaster unit which has seen better days, doing toast. Then at the back of the bag, a small pouch there, we have some small wooden stirrers which are also good for lighting the stove. They're in there. And then next to that, so in that pouch at the back next to it, we have two just basic disposable lighters. Then there's a big pouch at the back, we have windshield. And all of that is in that bag. So I'm going to get the stove going, get the kettle on, boil up some water and have a cup of coffee now. So here's the gas bottle in its little jacket. It's not too cold today, so we're going to take that out of its out of there. Screw the top on. Stabiliser on the bottom. Let's get that kettle on. Right, that's the kettle on. Soon be brew time. Well, the water's boiling. Cup is ready. What I like to do, I ain't got any milk with me today. I normally have those little pots of milk. What I like to do is add a bit of cold water in there first, just to place of the milk. There is milk whitener in there. This is a 3-in-1 coffee. Let's add in the water and have a cup of coffee. Try to do it without spilling it all. So in the woods, cup of coffee and a biscuit, perfect. Spot on. Cheers. Right, it's all packed away. We've had a coffee. Just going to put this back in the backpack and head on. So that's the end of this short video. Looks like the rain might be coming in soon anyway. I've got a tarp with me, but we didn't need that at the moment. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.